Come here, look! Did you see it? The engine shakes very badly when the car is idling. I took the car to the repair shop. They were ready to replace my spark plugs without even checking. The fee is $3,000. I said this car has only traveled 20,000 kilometers. You might as well grab it. I drove off right away. Today I will prove to my fans, you can fix this problem yourself without spending a penny. Come on, turn off the engine. Let's disassemble the spark plug. Check what the fault is. Pull the plug. Use a wrench to loosen these 4 screws. Screwdrivers are so cheap you can even borrow one from Mario. The screws have been removed. Then we pull out the ignition coil. Get a spark plug sleeve and stick it in. This sleeve is only the price of a burger. Next, turn it counterclockwise so the spark plug can be removed. Look! Wow.
Have you ever skipped a routine car checkup, thinking it was no big deal? You might be making a costly mistake without even realizing it. Some of the most expensive car repairs start as minor maintenance oversights. Today, we're revealing the top 10 car maintenance mistakes that are quietly draining your wallet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save thousands on avoidable repairs. Let's dive in. Number 1. Driving on low fuel levels. Many drivers assume that running their car on a nearly empty tank is harmless, as long as they don't actually run out of gas. But what most people don't realize is that the fuel pump is submerged in gasoline to stay cool and lubricated. When fuel levels drop too low, the pump is exposed to air and starts to overheat. This added strain forces the pump to work harder than necessary, causing premature wear and eventually failure. A failing fuel pump can lead to rough idling, difficulty starting the car, and even sudden engine shutdowns while driving. Something you definitely don't want happening on a busy road or highway. Replacing a fuel pump isn't cheap. It can cost anywhere from $700 to $1,500, depending on the vehicle. And if the pump fails at the wrong time, you may also have to pay for a tow truck, adding even more to the expense. The worst part, this is entirely preventable. Simply keeping your tank at least a quarter full at all times can save you from this costly repair and keep your car running smoothly. Solution: always keep your gas tank at least a quarter full. This simple habit ensures your fuel pump remains submerged, extending its lifespan and keeping your engine running smoothly. Number 2. Ignoring the cooling system. Your car's cooling system is essential for preventing the engine from overheating. Coolant, or antifreeze, circulates through the radiator and engine to keep temperatures in check. However, over time, coolant breaks down, becoming acidic and losing its effectiveness. This leads to corrosion inside the radiator, water pump, and engine block, which can cause serious damage. A neglected cooling system can result in a cracked radiator, failed water pump, or even a blown head gasket, all of which can cost between $500 to $5,000 to repair. Solution: have your coolant flushed every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, or as recommended by your manufacturer. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your engine. Number 3. Neglecting brake fluid changes. Your braking system is one of the most important safety components of your car, and it relies on brake fluid to function properly. But did you know that brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture over time? This moisture can cause internal rust and corrosion in your brake lines, master cylinder, and ABS system. If left unchecked, this could lead to brake failure, putting your safety at risk and resulting in repairs costing upwards of $1,000 to $2,500. Solution: change your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to prevent moisture buildup and ensure your brakes remain in peak condition. Number 4. Skipping transmission fluid changes. Some car manufacturers claim that transmission fluid is lifetime and never needs changing. But the truth is, no fluid lasts forever. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down due to heat, contaminants, and normal wear and tear. As it degrades, it loses its ability to lubricate and cool the transmission's internal components, leading to increased friction and excessive wear. Neglecting this maintenance can result in slipping gears, delayed acceleration, rough or jerky shifting, and even overheating. If left unchecked, these issues can escalate into total transmission failure, a repair that can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000, or even more for luxury or high-performance vehicles. Some drivers only realize there's a problem when their car starts struggling to shift, but by then, the damage is already done. Solution: change your transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles to keep your transmission running smoothly. Number 5. Forgetting about the timing belt. Not all cars have a timing belt, but if yours does, ignoring its replacement schedule can be disastrous. The timing belt controls the movement of the engine's valves and pistons. If it snaps while driving, the pistons and valves will collide, causing catastrophic engine failure. A broken timing belt can result in repair costs exceeding $4,000, and in some cases, a complete engine replacement. Solution: check your owner's manual and replace the timing belt as recommended, usually every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Number 6. Ignoring the air filter. The engine air filter is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in keeping dirt and debris out of your engine. A clogged air filter reduces fuel efficiency, lowers engine performance, and increases wear on the engine. Additionally, many people forget about the cabin air filter, which affects air quality inside the car. A dirty cabin filter can lead to mold buildup in your HVAC system, which is not only costly to fix, but also bad for your health. Solution: replace your engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, and the cabin air filter at least once a year. Number 7. Using low-quality fuel. Saving a few cents per gallon on discount fuel might seem like a good idea, but it can cost you more in the long run. Low-quality fuel can contain higher levels of impurities, leading to carbon buildup inside your engine and fuel injectors. This can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, and engine misfires. If left untreated, clogged fuel injectors may need replacing, a repair that can cost up to $1,500. Solution: stick to high-quality fuel from reputable gas stations and consider using fuel system cleaners every few months to remove carbon deposits. Number 8. Incorrectly changing brake pads. DIY brake pad replacements can save you money, but only if done correctly. A common mistake is compressing the brake caliper piston without opening the bleeder valve, which can push contaminated fluid back into the ABS system. This can damage expensive ABS components, leading to repairs costing $2,000 or more. Solution: if you're replacing your own brake pads, always bleed the brake system properly or have a professional handle the job. Number 9. Failing to check tire pressure. Underinflated tires can cause uneven wear, reduce fuel efficiency, and increase the risk of a blowout, especially at highway speeds. Driving on improperly inflated tires can shorten their lifespan and cost you hundreds in premature replacements. Solution: check your tire pressure at least once a month and keep it at the recommended PSI listed in your owner's manual or on the driver's door frame. Number 10. Opening the radiator cap while the engine is hot. One of the most dangerous mistakes you can make is removing the radiator cap when the engine is still hot. The cooling system is under pressure, and opening it too soon can cause superheated coolant to spray out, leading to severe burns. Additionally, sudden coolant loss can cause the engine to overheat rapidly, leading to cracked engine blocks and head gasket failures, repairs that can exceed $5,000. Solution: always let the engine cool down completely before opening the radiator cap. If your car is overheating, turn off the engine and wait at least 3,060 minutes before checking the coolant. Final thoughts. Car maintenance isn't just about keeping your vehicle running smoothly. It's about preventing massive repair bills that could have been easily avoided. A $30 air filter change, a $100 coolant flush, or a $200 transmission fluid replacement can save you thousands in the long run. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to keep your car in top shape and avoid expensive mistakes. Don't let these costly errors drain your wallet. Stay ahead of the game and take care of your car the right way.